Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Shuan. I'm Shuan. Today I'm going to run through a lesson called Music and Instruments, which is in the Bitesize Cúrsaí course. Hobbies, music and all your pastimes. So if you'd like to find this lesson, you can log into Bitesize and then you'll be brought straight to Bitesize Cúrsaí and you can find hobbies, music and all your pastimes there. Or alternatively, you can find it by using the Lessons search tab. Now, let's get to it. And just so you know, every time I say a phrase in Irish, I'll give you a chance to repeat it after me. So as it says here, music is a very important part of Irish life. Of course, lots of Irish people love to sing, play instruments and dance. So this is probably some vocabulary that you'll run into sooner rather than later. Now here are different types of music. Ceol drama. Ceol drama. Ceol drama. Ceol means music, and drama, as you can probably tell, means drama or play. So you're saying it's a music play or music drama. So that's a very descriptive way of calling an opera, a very descriptive way of calling an opera. Next up then is a musical, which is Ceol Síomsa. Ceol Síomsa. Ceol Síomsa. Again, ceol means music, síomsa is entertainment. So music entertainment. Another descriptive term. Rock music, rock ceol. That really doesn't need any comment, does it? Rock is obviously a transliteration of the English rock, and ceol is music. So rock ceol. Rock, again, very easy. Rock is rock. Pop ceol. Pop is pop. Ceol, ceol, music. So pop ceol. Pop ceol. Snug ceol. Snug ceol. That's the Irish for jazz. Snug ceol. Snug ceol. Rop ceol. Rop ceol. That's rap in Irish. Now here's traditional music or folk music. Ceol tradiisiúnta. Ceol tradiisiúnta. Ceol is obviously music. Tradiisiúnta is traditional. Ceol tradiisiúnta. And now we have specifically Irish traditional music. Ceol Gaeilge. Ceol Gaeilge. Gaeilge is Gaelic or Irish. So Ceol Gaeilge. So anytime you hear this phrase, you'll know it's referring to Irish traditional music. Ceol Tíre. Ceol Tíre is country music. Ceol Tíre. It's sometimes used to refer to folk music. Tír means country. Ceol tíre. Tíre is the genitive singular of tír. So you're saying music of country. Then we've got classical music. Ceol clásicach. Ceol, music. Clásicach, classical. Ceol clásicach. Now, here are some instruments, especially ones you'd use to play ceol Gaeilge, traditional Irish music. Violin. Violin. Notice how there's a V there, which is unusual in Irish, but still, sometimes if you have a V sound at the beginning of a word in Irish, usually you do, and that's the spelling, it's not for grammatical reasons, that's your actual word. You will have a V at the beginning if you have a V sound. But another thing to note is how there's an IDH there and how that's creating an I sound. Because we have no letter in Irish that specifically creates an I sound, so we need to use a few letters to do that. So here it's IDH that's doing that. So violin, that's a violin. Fiddle, fiddle, that's a fiddle, fiddle. Bodhrán, bodhrán. Of course, it's usually called a bodhrán in English as well, but it's that circular frame drum that's and you use one drumstick to play it. Very common in traditional Irish music. Bodhrán. Fedóg stone, another common Irish instrument. Fedóg stone. Fedóg is a whistle. Fedóg, because fed means to whistle. So fedóg is a whistle. Stone comes from the word stone, which is tin. So you're saying a whistle of tin. Fedóg stone. This one is a very easy one. Piano. Piano. So it's really just spelt in the Irish manner. Piano. Flute is a flute. Flute. Or there's also fedóg war, which I'll add in one of the comments below. Fedóg war. So we had fedóg stone for a tin whistle. And so there's the fedóg war, which means a big whistle. So that's often used to call a flute as well, as a name for a flute. Fedóg war, or flute. Drumma is a drum, drumma. Drummy are drums, drummy. Guitar. Guitar is a guitar, guitar. Guitar clásicach, a classical guitar. Guitar clásicach. We already came across clásicach before with classical music, ceol clásicach. And now we have guitar clásicach. Now we have an acoustic guitar. Guitar fuaimniúil. Guitar fuaimniúil. Fuam means sound. Guitar fuaimniúil. Stuck is a trumpet. Stuck. Also, trumpa. Trumpa. Saxophone. 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 And of course the symbol of Ireland, the national symbol, cláirseach, cláirseach, a harp, cláirseach, cláirseach. Crit, that's a smaller type of harp usually, crit. Órani is a singer, also pronounced as Aurani. Órani, Aurani. Aurani would be a more Munster pronunciation. Bana is a bend, bana. So you may also hear bana ceol being used as a phrase for bend, as in a musical bend. Now here's some phrases. An sinan shiv ceol. Do you play music? Asking multiple people. An sinan shiv ceol. Could also be pronounced as an shinan shiv ceol. So shin, shinnim, or shine, shinnim, or shine. I'll add that in the comments below. There are two different ways of saying to play music. So an sinan shiv ceol and shinan shiv ceol. Do ye play music? So it's a plural you. Shinnim ceol, shinnim an violin, shinim an violin, shinnim an violin. I play the violin. So if you have any questions about that, you can add it in the comments below. I hope you learned something new from today's lesson. Go raibh míle maithagí. Slán tamil.